A common question that is asked by students in America is, do students have to give up certain rights once they enter school grounds? This question is contemplated in the case of Bethel School District versus Frazier in the state of Washington. A high school student named Matthew Frazier performed a speech filled with sexual innuendos at a school-wide assembly in 1986. He was suspended for 3 days. His parents appealed the school's disciplinary action to the Washington Supreme Court. The Washington Supreme Court ruled against the Bethel School District. They claimed that Frazier's First Amendment rights had been violated. The school district then appealed the ruling to the U.S. Supreme Court. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled in the favor of the Bethel School District. Chief Justice Burger claimed the same latitude of expression is not permitted to children in a public school. The ruling of this case will impact many cases in the future when it comes to censorship in public schools. Bethel School District versus Frazier, multiple choice questions. What amendment do Frazier's parents feel like was violated? The answer is D, the First Amendment. Who won the first ruling of the case? The answer is A, Frazier's parents.
Tinker versus Des Moines Independent Community School District. Christopher Eckhart, John Tinker, and Mary Beth Tinker wore black armbands to mourn those who had died in the Vietnam War. As other students joined in, the school district outlawed armbands to prevent disturbing influences. When the students continued to wear armbands, they were suspended. Their parents protested the suspensions in federal courts, and on February 24, 1969, the U.S. Supreme Court, in a 7-2 decision, declared the school suspensions unconstitutional. The students were protected under their First Amendment rights to free speech.
Rashmi. Tinker versus Des Moines. What was the purpose of the armbands? A, to protest segregation. B, to mourn those who died in the Vietnam War. C, to protest animal cruelty. Or D, to mourn people who died on 9/11. Where did the students attend school? A, Montgomery. B, Jackson. C, Des Moines. Or D, Phoenix. The answer to what was the purpose of the armbands is B. The answer to where did the students attend school is C.